So guys, here am I at Stop and Shop trying to find the cheapest item that I can buy so I can avoid the ATM fee, cash at ATM fee. I'm trying to avoid that, so I'm trying to see if I can buy an item, get cash back, and avoid that fee. The cheapest item that I found so far, I think I will have to say it's this right here. Some ramen and some soup. Let's see how we do, guys. All right, it's working.
Thank you for shopping at Stop and Shop.
All right, guys. So the max amount that you guys can take out in the Stop and Shop, it's $50 as cash back. So I bought me a 69-cent ramen, and I got $50 cash back. So therefore, I minimize getting the fee, but I need another $10. So I'm gonna buy something else. Cheapest item in the store, 50-cent chocolate ball.
Have your Stop and Shop card, please.
That's how it's done, guys. So there's a 40-cent candy at Stop and Shop, and that's how you can do it.